Siri is finally getting the AI upgrade Apple users have been waiting for. But is the new Siri actually as powerful as Apple makes it sound? Here's what you need to know before getting excited. Intro. In 2026, Apple introduced an entirely redesigned version of Siri, powered by Apple Intelligence. Unlike the old Siri, this version is designed to understand context, work across apps, see what is on your screen, and have more natural conversations. But there are some important limitations you should know about. What is new? First, Siri AI can understand your personal context. For example, you can ask Siri to find a restaurant someone recommended in your messages, locate a hotel confirmation in your email, or find specific photos. It can also understand what's currently on your screen and answer questions about it. And Siri can perform more actions across apps, such as drafting emails, working with photos, or adding information to notes. Apple is also adding a dedicated Siri app where you can revisit previous conversations. The biggest catch. Here's what Apple doesn't emphasize enough. Siri AI isn't immediately available to everyone. Apple says the new Siri will arrive as a beta later in 2026, and availability depends on supported devices, languages, and regions. There are also regional limitations. For example, Apple says Siri AI won't initially be available on iPhone and iPad in the European Union because of regulatory issues. So if you are expecting every new Siri feature to work everywhere on day one, that is not the reality. Privacy. One area where Apple has a strong advantage is privacy. Siri AI uses a combination of on-device processing and Apple's private cloud compute. Apple says that when private cloud compute handles a request, personal data is not stored or accessible to Apple. That could make Siri particularly attractive to people who want AI features without giving up Apple's privacy approach. Verdict. So is Siri AI worth it? Potentially, yes. The biggest upgrade isn't simply that Siri can answer questions, it is that Siri is becoming integrated into your personal data, your screen, and your apps. But availability, device support, language restrictions, and the fact that many features are still rolling out mean you shouldn't expect Siri to completely replace ChatGPT or other AI assistants just yet. Overall, Siri AI looks like a major step forward for Apple, but the real test will be how well these features work once they are available to everyone. If you found this review helpful and useful, subscribe for more AI quick reviews and comparisons. Do not forget the like. Thank you for watching and goodbye.